Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today's your Friday upload. Sorry I haven't been around this week, but I was really busy with Christmas. I should be able to resume my weekly uploads, and today we're going to go back to just another healthy chicken recipe. I know this is similar to the Mediterranean one and other ones, but I've been experimenting with chicken, adding different things and trying to create unique tastes. So this might be similar to the other ones, but it has a different taste and it's really healthy. You could put this over top of noodles, like any kind of noodle, egg noodles, rice, pasta. It's all up to you. So to cut down on the time of this video, so we could go right to it, I already prepped my ingredients. So for this recipe we have red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, we got shallot here, we got a red onion, which is sweet, we got a half of a lemon we're going to squeeze in here. I actually diced up some chicken breast that was already cooked, and we have garlic here. I'm going to be using olive oil, and we're going to also use some organic Italian dressing. So we're going to put this pot on medium. This stove on medium, and we're going to go to our olive oil. I love this bottle. Squeeze that in there, and then we're going to start off by putting all these veggies and garlic in the pan. All right, so we have all those veggies in there with the olive oil. You hear that? And we're gonna just stir that about. And we have some butter here. Throw that butter in there, and like I said, it's on medium. Just start working this. If it gets too hot, turn it down to low. I know, like I said, this is similar to other ones, but we have shallot in there. We got fresh garlic, and we have a mix of bell peppers. So this is going to turn out really good. And then after we get going with that, we'll just put this chicken in. And then when it gets going a little bit more, we'll add the lemon and some of the dressing. Alright, so you can see that that's continuing to cook. There's the butter right there. I wish you could smell this. We're gonna let this go for another minute or two, and then we'll throw the chicken in there. If you want it, you could use sea salt or other spices, ingredients. It's all up to you. Alright, so you can see that our vegetables have cooked. Now we're going to take this chicken. I'm coming to you in POV today, point of view, where you see everything from my eyes, my hands. So we're going to take this chicken and we're going to throw that in there. Hear that sizzle. And another thing I forgot to is we're going to throw in some Goya adobo that has pepper in there. This is like your go-to spice. So throw a little bit in there. And the only thing we have left is that Italian dressing and half of that lime. So just start working this all together. Keep it all medium, like I said. And if you want, throw like sea salt or other stuff in there. Alright, so you can see that that's cooking. We're almost there. This one doesn't take long if you have the stuff already prepped. The one thing I forgot is we're going to throw in some of these fire roasted petite diced tomatoes with garlic. You can never go wrong with garlic. So try not to use a lot of the juice. Just throw some of the tomatoes in there, and basically use the amount of tomatoes to your taste. So the thing you're going to want to do now is turn this down to low. Let it simmer for like a minute. And like I said, just put in the amount of tomatoes that you want. After that, we'll throw in the Italian dressing a little bit and add a half of lemon, the juice. Alright, so you can see all the colors in there. That makes for a really good meal. And like I said, you could put this over top of anything. So now we're going to take our Italian dressing, and this is totally optional. Just throw some in there. and just start working this together. And the final step is going to be squeezing half of a lemon in there, but just start working this together. And like I said, you can see the different colors, and this is a unique taste. Alright, so look at the liquid from the Italian dressing. That's totally optional. You might not like it, but for me, it's pretty good. So we're gonna do this lemon next. Alright, so you can see the lemon squeezer. Squeeze half a lemon in there. That is optional too. If you want to use less, you can. You want to use more. So the final step is just to stir this. Keep it on medium. And just keep stirring this for another... Actually, it's on low, sorry. It's on low. If you had to, turn it up to medium. And just let this simmer for like 1 or 2 minutes. If you wanted to, you could turn it up to medium and let it boil and cook off some of the Italian dressing, but it's up to you. But we're basically done. With me, I'm going to just transfer this to my bowl, the one that I make rice bowls in, because I'm not really in the mood today for pasta or noodles or rice. But that's basically your recipe right there. Look at all the colors. All right, so let's take another look at that. You see the steam coming off of there? Look at that. Sorry about my stove. But you can see the liquid off of there. So this makes for a really quick and healthy meal. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, there you got it. Another healthy version of olive oil chicken. You can see the steam coming off there. And like I said, you could do almost anything with that. You could put it over egg noodles, other noodles, pasta and rice. And look at this pan. You know what would be really good was taking bread and wiping clean that pan and getting this sauce and liquid on the bread and eating it. So the thing is, I'll bring a lot more healthy recipes. I'll bring some other recipes that are not so healthy, that are like good for treating yourself. I'm going to mix my channel up. But yeah, here's your healthy chicken bowl. So today is Friday's upload. Thanks for being on my channel. I hope you had a good Christmas. Have a happy New Year. Have a healthy and happy 2020. And I'll see you next Monday for another upload. Dansoy, amateur cook, peace.